best application for you to track all sports, pretty much everything as relates to sports using this. I'm pretty much show you how to do that. And here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and this application tracks all sports: football, tennis, baseball, everything. So as you can see here, American football, handball, pretty much all types of sports, all in one. So whichever sport you're interested in, let's say table tennis, for example, you're a searcher, you can go to the top there and search for whichever tennis that you're interested in. And also you can see the leagues that it involves as it relates to table tennis. Here you have for American football, as you can see the leagues that's available for that there. You have volleyball, pretty much all of them. Not just leagues that you can see for top on the icon here, you can pretty much see different cups and so forth. If I tap on the matches option, you can see the latest matches that are playing today, that are live today. You can also tap on the icon at the top here to go back and see the matches played yesterday and pretty much the points, who scored and so forth, pretty much everything. So that's pretty much it for that there. And in the trending section, all around top matches that played for all sports will show here. So as you can see here for football, as you can see here, pretty much see all football matches. At the top you may see the basketball matches as well. And down here you can see some other matches played from yesterday. So let's say you have a favorite league or match. You can tap on the star icon here to pretty much add it as your favorite, and we'll pretty much keep track of that league for you. So the next match that's gonna play, you can pretty much get a notification and so forth. So the favorite section, you can either add a team, you add your favorite team. Let's say, for example, Ollie and I'm from Jamaica, I'm from Jamaica. Jamaica is my favorite team, and you have other clubs that pretty much want to check on as well. You have your favorite athletes, which you can add and keep up on. So in the feed section here, we'll just give you a quick recap as it relates to matches played and so forth. So at the top here, you can see a for you as it relates to your country or what you have selected for your favorite team and for your favorite or for your country. So at the top here, when you see country, just tap on that, and this is pretty much tap on the arrow icon here, select whichever country you're from. So let's say you're from Argentina. Let me just go back and find Argentina. For example, just tap on confirm. You will pretty much find everything related to what's going on as it relates to sports in Argentina for you. So as it relates to player as well, not just sports, news as well. And also you get video as well, which you can watch. But we like it to YouTube. But that's pretty much it for this application. And over here, you may have a lightning icon. It will just pretty much do the same thing, and you can also change your preferences as it relates to the appearance of the application. And also you can do in this section here, the currency and so forth. Nothing much. So in the settings option here, profile icon here, you can tap on the upgrade option and you can get a subscription as it relates to access to the leagues, no ads and so forth. You can also get a free trial as it relates to this. So if you want to test out their subscription feature, you can go ahead and get your free trial and you're good to go. As you can see what here you'll be getting. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very easy to use, and do make sure log in before you purchase a subscription so you don't have any problem. But that's it. If I missed anything, comment below. See you in the next one.